Trust me, lads, you're all gonna want to win this. Right, boys and girls, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel today. So I am really bad at giveaways. As most of you know, I'm really shit at giveaways actually. The only reason I'm bad at giveaways is because, like, I just don't get the time to go and send people the stuff that they've won. So I apologise for all those people in the past. I really am sorry. I do love you all. Like, all my subscribers, you're all sick. But today, lads and ladies, we are giving away a throttle spacer from Distinct Designs. On the screen over here right now, you will see a video of me when I was installing a throttle spacer on my car. You can go watch that. It will be in the description down below, or you can go through my videos and find it yourself. It's entirely up to you. That is what I'm giving away today, guys. The reason why this is a bit better of a giveaway is because of the fact that the winner, I will get Distinct Designs to send it out through them personally, so that actually gets to you instead of me having to take time out of my life. As I would, if I could take time out of my life to go and send it to you guys, I honestly would, but I don't have the time for it, especially fitting recording in and everything else going on in my life. But that's what we're giving away, boys and girls, is a throttle spacer. Now, don't worry if you're thinking, shit, I've got a 1 litre EcoBoost, shit, I've got 1.6 petrol, it's not turbo. Don't worry, boys, it's fine. It's okay. As long as it's a Fiesta Mk7, you can get your hands on one. So don't worry about any of that. As long as you've got a Fiesta Mk7, it could be anyone, even a diesel. Doesn't even matter. Not even matter. You can be entered this competition. Now, you're probably wondering, Luke, what have I got to do to win this competition? Well, before I get into that, I just want to let you guys know, if you're all impatient and don't fancy waiting, you can also use my discount code L19 BOU. It'll be on screen down here somewhere. L19 BOU. That gets you 10% off, I believe, maybe a bit more. Might be 10%. I think it's just 10% off Distinct Designs throttle spacers. So if you want to buy one without having to wait for the giveaway, then go ahead, do that now. Make sure you use that discount code because it is very helpful. They're not even that expensive either, and for what they do, now I'm going to explain here. A lot of people are going to be like, Luke, what do these throttle spacers do? What's the benefit of them? What's the point? Now, if you're like me and you love a bit of heel-toe action, because I love a bit of heel-toe action, who does not love a bit of heel-toe action? It's just But yeah, no, I do love a bit of heel-toe action. Now, when these cars come as they are, the throttle is quite further down than the brake pedal and the clutch, and you feel like you're pushing into a black hole because your foot just feels like it just keeps going and going, and you never feel like you're gonna get full boost or throttle, and you just get sad. But no, I'm joking. Yeah, it's really low, and it does push quite far back, and it's really like, yeah, it's just, nah, you don't get a good feel. So with this spacer, it brings it right up, and it's pretty much all in line with the brake pedal and the clutch now, and it just feels better, you know, when you get in it. I guarantee you, whoever wins will comment on this video after, or the winner video, whatever. They will give me a comment and they were like, Jesus Christ, Luke, you are telling the truth, it made a difference. Now, I'll definitely go get your hands on one of them, because they are for such a little mod, it's so easy to install with 2 bolts, go straight behind, and you are done. So yeah, that's that, guys. That's what throttle spacer is. That's how much better they are. Sorted. So if you want to get involved in winning this, being with a chance of winning this giveaway, all you have to do is comment down below, I like bangs. Now, I don't want you just to comment down why. I don't want you to just comment down I like bangs, because that's just boring, boys, right? That's boring. I want you to comment down I like bangs, and then the reason why. Now, I like a bit of banter, and I like to be made, you know, I like to be someone to make me laugh. So if we can come up with some good stuff, then what I'll do, if there's really ones that I think, you know, that are just amazing, I will pick it as the winner. If not, it's going to be a random winner giveaway. So you lot better back up your ideas. Make sure you comment down I love bangs, and then after it, you got to say why. So I like doing this. It spices things up a bit for the boys and the girls, makes things different. You know what it's like. And yeah, that's all you got to do, guys. Make sure you do that, and also you got to be subscribed to my channel. You've got to like this video, make sure you do like this video, and you've got to literally share this giveaway around. If you share this giveaway around, I will probably get them to do another one, and maybe some other companies who I'm with, Autobeam, better be watching, because, yeah. That's it. That's all you got to do. Short, basic little video for you guys on how you can win this and what it is, because, you know, you've got to know what you're winning. I would like to know what I'm winning. God, I don't want enough someone to turn out to my house and be like, how do I even do this? What is this? Now the good thing about it is it does come with instructions as well, and I'm sure if you ask them, they'll make it any colour you want. So yeah, that's that. Thanks for watching this video. It's a cheeky little giveaway. I love you all. You're the best. Every single one of you, even you. And yeah, you're all the best. Thanks so much for the support recently. You guys are smashing it with the likes, smashing it on Instagram. Instagram's gone a bit crazy at the minute. I'm getting quite a lot of likes and followers, so if that's any of you boys, well done. BHP Fuel Fest, end of this month, going to be there. Come say hello if you're about. And yeah, guys, I'm going to wrap this video up here. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell button to be notified every single time I upload. And make sure you like this video and check out all my social medias. Everything is in the description down below, including Distinct Designs website if you want to check it out. The discount code will be down below as well, and everything will be there. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all in the next video. Good luck, and bye for now.